Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm working on a 24 by 36 inch canvas. I want to practice my pearl pours a little more, so I'm going to cover my canvas in my pearl paint. The recipe will be in the description box below, but it is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part Vallejo Pearl Medium, 1 part paint, and the paint I'm using is Chromacryl Acrylic Essentials, a little bit of GAC 800, and then water to thin it down until there is no trace coming off of the stick. And then I have a whole bunch of colors here. I have all of my cool colors. I have some leftover blues that have some gold mixed into it. This is Amsterdam Sap Green. This is, again, a mix of different blues. It is also a little metallic. This is Amsterdam Turquoise Green. This is Arteza Pearl Cactus Green. That feels a little thick. I might thin that down a little bit before I start. And so cool colors, and then I have some warm colors. This is a mix of copper and burnt sienna. This is DecoArt Metallics Garnet. This is a mix of different violets and pinks, and it also has some gold sparkle to it. And this is a mix of pinks and oranges. So warm colors, cool colors, and that's exactly how I'm going to lay them out on the canvas. I'm going to do some lines of each color, but I'm going to put all the cool colors together, all of the warm colors together, tilt it out, and then see if we can get some cells in the different shades that way. So let's put these off to the side, and we will put down our base coat of the pearl colors, and I'll put on some music for you to listen to while I work. Here we go.
I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no. It ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah. talking sweet. Keep sugar on, baby. I got you good, I got you sweet, got you on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Keep moving fast, keep moving slow, keep rhythm on, baby. You got me good, you got me sweet, got me on hold. Baby knows what I want, baby knows just how I'm feeling now. You got me locking, walking, stalking, rocking, freaking and freewheeling for a while. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. I may be here, I may be there, I may be gone, baby, just for a while. 'Cause when you smile, got me on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Mama used to say, Mama used to say, Mama used to say, Mama used to say, baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Knows, baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows, my baby knows, baby knows, my baby knows what I'm all about.
So here are the wet results of my pearl pour. I did leave quite a bit of paint still on the canvas. I wanted to keep some of the colors, but I still wanted to get the pearls around the outside edge. I think that worked out really well. I like the separation of the cool and the warm colors. I think that's pretty too. These colors, look at that pearl cactus green. What a gorgeous color. And I am getting some really beautiful jellyfish pearls here coming up on the edges. I love the way that some of them are really dark blue. Beautiful, look at those. Really nice. Really love these ones on the edges too, always. And you can see there's quite a bit of, hopefully you can see that, there's quite a bit of sparkle from the metallics right in the pearls too. Those are really nice. Those are green. Oh, good, so they're coming up in different colors. That's great. I love the way that these colors all blended and shifted together. This, I'll come back down to this corner. Lots of really good pearls on the edges. I could have tilted this more and gotten a lot more pearls, but I like the way it turned out here. These are really cool. Look at those. Ooh, look at these. Oh, wow, that garnet, the DecoArt Metallics garnet has come up with some cells in through there. That's really cool. Look at that one right there. It's almost like multiple cells within a cell. That's cool too. Yeah, that's really nice. Look at this area right here. Ooh, that's nice. I love that. These warm colors up here in the top. Oh, so pretty. I love that too. That orange really gives it some like inner glow. I love that. That's really beautiful. Look at the Let me get in there. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Lots of pearls up here too. Sorry about the glare. Yeah, this turned out really cool. I'm excited to see if this develops any more. It's been about a half an hour. But yeah, I think this turned out pretty cool. I hope you like it too. Stay tuned for the dry result. Here are the dry results of my pearl pour. There are some parts of this that I'm really super happy with. I got some beautiful cells here, the pearls coming up here, the jellyfish pearls, I love them. Look at that. You can see the reflective quality on that pearl color, which was the chartreuse, I believe. I really like that. Look at those jellyfish right there, so pretty, I love it. And all of this area where all the blues and greens mixed, but there's a lot of cells that came up in this area, which are kind of like pearls, but they've taken on the pink and red of the garnet, which is really cool. I like that little border area there, it's fun. And the copper that was in the burnt sienna is giving some great light reflection up in this darker area with the warm colors up top. Also, great kind of popcorn cells up here. I love these. Really pretty. And this is pretty up here too. That's nice. But I really like, my favorite thing about the whole thing is this line, the border of base coat color in between the warm and cool colors, created like this kind of misty, cloudy area as the border between the two. I think that's really cool. It gives a really cool like focal point to where the two pieces, the two different color schemes mix. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I hope you like it too. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.